Shalom everyone and welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm very excited for tonight because I purchased this bag and I always, wanted to have this kind of bag because it's unique and most of all, it brings closer to my heart because I bought this bag with in a guy named Tote. So guys, if you are in social media, please do follow him. And yes, this is I will put his social media account in the description down below. And guys, this is it, the moment I've been waiting for. Okay, so Tato, before everything else, I'll give you a brief a summary about who Tato is. Okay, so first of all, I thought that he's a foreigner because he speaks good English. But again, I'm very proud because of what he is doing for the Lord in his community, and his community is the Matigsalog tribe. Yes, one of our tribe here in Mindanao. Yes, in the Philippines. And it was really amazing. So here it is, guys. Tara! So ayan. So let's do the unboxing. Ayan. So I did not really open this because I wanted to open this with you. And yes, for every bags that you purchase, you will be able to support the Matigsalog tribe and as well as their ministry, yes, in the mountains. So, yes. So later on, I will show you the photos and as well as the other bags that you can purchase to help fund the ministry and as well as to help with whatever the work of the Lord has been doing there in their community. But I praise and thank God for Tato Okil for following the call of the Lord. And yes, I thought that this bag is just small, but I did not expect that this bag is quite big. And yes, thank you, Lord. It's such a joy to be a blessing to other people. And yes, we hope that we choose to be a blessing to other people rather than, commenting more hate. Sorry, guys, it's so hard to open. But anyway, wow! This is... I really thought that this bag is small. But yes, oh, yay! Yay! So again, okay. So if you want to purchase this bag, you can. Oh, sorry. You can message Tato Okil. I will put in the description his link, his social media account, so that you can message him directly. Yay! This is a really good bag. Wow, amazing. Thank you, Lord, and thank you so much to our Matigsalog tribe. Yes, to Tato Okil and the ministry. I'm very blessed to have this. Yes. Ay, this is good. Wow. Tsaka ang bango niya. Oh, okay. Alright. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. And it was really packed so good. So yes, this is it. Ta-da! Alright. Oh. Thank you so much, Tato Okil. Yes, guys, remember that this is not sponsored, okay? I purchased this because I wanted to bless the ministry and the work of the Lord there in Bukidnon. Wow! Ooh, there's a surprise! I thought it's only this one bag. Aww! Okay. Thank you, Tato Okil, for this. And yes, so guys, this one is for 499. But Again, if I'm wrong, so please do message Tato Okil. So this is it. Yes, this is made of, I think, abaka. Correct me if I'm wrong, Tato Okil. But yes, this is it. So amazing. Uy! Ah, grabe. Alright, so thank you. Oh my goodness. So ayan, there it is. Yeah, and this is a backpack. Yes, so they also have a tote bag. Yes. So later in this video, I will put the pictures of the products. Okay, of the products. So again, yay! When I go to the mountains, I will, bring this. So it's a tote bag. It's a backpack, guys. So it's like this. So yes. So yeah, this is so nice. Yes, and then you can put some of your cell phones here also, charger and everything. Yeah, charger, cell phones, and yeah, so I thought that this is the only one. But okay, thank you so much, Tato Okil, for your generosity and all. And yes, so this is a big one, and this is quite a small one. Okay, so this is a big one, and this is a small one. So if also you are from Israel, you can also order. Yes, yes, we will deliver. Yes. So guys, this is a small version of it, and it is really made of good quality. Yes, made of good quality. So again, this is it. Yes, there you go. Yan. Yes, so this is amazing. God bless your heart. And wow, this is really nice. Aww. Yes, and then this is it. Yeah, unboxing. All right. Okay, everyone. So for those of you who wants to order this kind of bags, and as well as the tote bags. Yes, the tote bags. You may order, and I'll put the photos in this video also. So God bless you, everybody. Thank you so much. And yeah, so here's the photo of the products from our Matigsalog tribe. Yes, everyone. So God bless you. So I hope that you will order and support the ministry, and let's continue to pray for the peace of Jerusalem and for the peace of the world. So God bless you. Thank you. Shalom, and have a great week, everybody.